right, so this one is a good example if you come in closer. I'm going to wiggle this. This is on static, and the static is correct, but the 3 adjusting screws are not. So I'm able to move the pole, I don't know, about 80 degrees. And as you can see, the part that's moving is all of this, but then this part's not moving, so it's these 3. So I'm going to tighten these real quick, but I'm also going to take this opportunity to inspect this down here. Now if you look down here, come over to this side please. You can see that the issue, see how these 2 here are not with this? That means that these 2 need to be tightened, and these will always be smaller than the 4 millimeter that you're dealing with. You do not get these tools because you should never need these tools. This stuff happens under weird circumstances, like abnormal use or miscare. So anytime these are even just slightly loose and you get a wiggle, it puts undue impact on these 2 down here that would otherwise be doing their job the whole time. And that's the only way that these 2 move, is by accidentally not getting these guys flush with the flat spot, and over a period of time of doing static spins, you just impact away from these. Thank you.